Yeah, you know, we have to know what procedures are followed, you know, to determine who must get a state funeral or who not. And I think also the level of funeral, because all people didn't play the same role. Yeah. If you look at the state funeral, at the moment it's more those struggle heroes that's getting state funerals. But you also have different levels of people, different categories.
Yeah.
You might have had a person who was a general in plan, or a very important person, so he deserves a higher level than this other person who also played an important role but not on the same level. So we have to know, you know, how do they decide who should get a funeral and on what level? And then there must be a budget attached to the different levels. If you are on level A, say the top level, then say there's, for argument's sake, say $3 million available. You know, you can't exceed $3 million. And then when you get to the lower, say number 5, there's only $1 million. So we want to know, you know, who decides? Is it that committee or who decide, you know, what type of funeral should it be? Because if you take, that's why I've asked the question. I would like to know how much money did we spend in the past year on state funerals, on 16 funerals. What is that amount?
So there were 16 during that period.
That is since the president has been appointed.
Bumba.
Bumba, yeah.
And on Bumba we had 16.
16 in 1 year's time.
Yeah.
You know, it must be a lot of money.
Yeah.